Is anyone please confirm? Is my voice is audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. See, guys, today is enterprise structure configuration. So I already told you. So please get the server access on immediate basis. So server details also shared in the chat box. If anyone new, so please get server access on immediate basis. Okay, this is the server number. Okay, so take 3 months server access. So number also shared in the chat box. Once again, I'm sharing you. Server access on immediate basis because so no one works. We need to do everything in the system only. Okay. Let's move to the SAP system. So just to open up your server and give the details, user ID and password. These details will be shared by server guy. So once you give this inputs user ID and password, system will open up new window. This is SAP Easy Access screen. So last time we discussed about what is the purpose of this SAP Easy Access screen. And also we posted one entry by using this screen. And so people who joined recently today, so please refer our videos which are available in the chat box. So you will see the previous videos in the chat box and please download these videos on immediate basis because in Skype only 30 days available. The videos will be available only in 30 days. So after that it will be expired automatically. Okay. So today we will finish up SAP enterprise structure. Okay, SAP enterprise structure configurations. So last time, so we discussed clearly what is meant by company, company code, business area, functional area, consolidated business area, credit control area, and some assignments. Okay, those things are completely theoretical aspects we discussed. Today, we are going to discuss about configuration areas. Okay, the configuration areas we need to discuss today. Here, so this is the command field. Just type SPRO. Just type SPRO. SPRO means Special Project Reference Objective. Okay, just type SPRO and click enter. So click enter and just double click on the SAP reference IMG. Okay, so we have one more screen. This screen is called IMG screen. IMG means Implementation Manual Guidance. So in this screen, SAP consultant will do configuration. So in this screen only. So now we are in the enterprise structure, right? So enterprise structure, just look at this. This is enterprise structure. And click on this. Go to definition. Okay, go to financial accounting. So you will see company, credit control area, company code, business area, functional area, consolidated business area, FM area, segment and profit center. So these are all called as a organizational units. These are all called as a organizational units in SAP. Okay. And in SAP we have assignments also there. I discussed yesterday. So we have some assignments. Assignment So here assignment. So click on assignment, go to financial accounting. So these are all assignments. Okay. Assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area, assign business area to consolidated business area, assign company code to financial management area, assign profit center. So enterprise structure, we have organizational units. These are all organizational units. And these are the assignments in SAP FI enterprise structure assignments. These are all organizational units. Okay. So yesterday we discussed theoretically what is company, credit control area, company code, business area, etc. Okay, just click on this documents if you want to know, explore many more things. So just click on this document. So you will see what is company exactly here clearly mentioned. SAP terminology is little bit complex comparing to what we discussed in the yesterday and what we shared in the chat box. Regarding documentation part I am telling. So this is credit control area. So this is the documentation for credit control area. And this is the company code. Okay, so company code documentation. So you want to explore these things, so you can read out if you have time, or else. So I shared in the chat box yesterday. So you just look at this document. This is SAP FICO organization structure document I shared yesterday. Okay, so just to open up this. So here clearly mentioned. Okay, so how to go to SAP IMG screen is and everything we clearly mentioned. And also we have given T codes. And also we have given what is meant by company theoretical discussions and how to do configuration as well. Everything has been given in this document. So after the end of this session, you can refer this document so that you will get a clear picture about this enterprise structure. Okay. So now let's move on to the configuration areas. So again, I'm repeating these things, how to go to this IMG screen. So here SPRO. SPRO means Special Project Reference Objective. Click enter, SAP reference IMG. Then go to enterprise structure. Okay, then definition. Okay, then financial accounting. So these are all organizational structure. And again, you go to assignment. Okay, in the assignment, you see financial accounting. So these are all assignments. Okay, and these are called as a organizational units. So now you understand that in SAP there are two types of screens. One is SAP consultant screen and second one is SAP end user screen. Okay, so end user screen generally used for posting the entries or editing, want to delete or change, modify anything that we can do it from the SAP end user screen. So here is a consultant screen, and here SAP end user do not have any access for this screen. Okay, SAP end users, finance guys, so they will post directly entries in the system, right? They don't have this IMG screen access. Only consultants have this screen access. Okay. So now just click on this company. This is called as execution button. Okay, so timer, just click on this execute button. So you will see list of the companies which is already created by trainees, and some of the company codes are given by SAP for reference perspective. Okay, so just to look at this all things. Okay, these are all called as a reference companies. Okay, so company is also called as a trading partner. Company is also called as a trading partner. Now I want to create a new company. Okay, Tata Motors, Tata Limited, Tata Private Limited. Right, yesterday we discussed. So new entries. Go to new entries. See, once you go back, so see, some of the companies are created in digital characteristic mode, numerical numbers. Some of the company codes created characteristics, and some company codes created numerical numbers. Okay, you can create either numerical number or characteristic or whatever it may be according to the client requirement. We will create. Go to new entries. So Tata Motors, right? So I'm just creating company. You can give 6-digit, maximum 6-digit allowed, 6 characteristics allowed. Okay, or numerical number, or text or numerical number. Anything you can give it in the place. Okay. So Tata Private Limited. I'm just giving TATAPV. This is a company. Okay. Tata Private Limited. I do not have any company name too. Only one company name is Tata Private Limited. Hence, I'm just leaving this as empty. And it is located at Bangalore, Street Marthahalli, postal code 5600, and city Hyderabad, and country India, language English, currency INR. Okay, these details will be shared by your client. Okay, just you need to give these details in the SAP system. Very dead easy. The configuration is very easy. Okay, don't feel it's a very complex thing. Configuration things are very easy. So this requirement we should give according to the client requirement. So client requirement, client has this data, right? So where the company is located and what is the street, postal code, these details we will get in the as is information, as is document. The client will share this information. So if any information you don't know, you can directly touch base with your client and set up meeting and discuss. Okay. Now you just save this. Just save this. So once you save any configuration, so you will get this customized request. This is called as a transport request, TR. This is called TR number, transport request number, TR number. Okay. And short description I need to change. This is the old short description, but I want to create a new short description. Just click on this and just type down enterprise structure. SAP FI. Okay. Now you just save this. Just save this. Okay, and click on green button. So it will be saved automatically. Okay, company creation has been done. So just note down our company code is TATAPV. TATAPV. Just go back and check. So here it is available. Okay, so I do not have any company name too, and so I'm just leaving blank. So you just check it out. Okay, TATA star. So how many companies created with this TATA? You can also look at this. So TATA02. So many other companies also created like ours. Okay. So this is my TATA PV. Okay. So you just double click on this. So you will see this detail. You want to change anything else, you can change it. Okay. So you can change it. You just modify this. Okay, with the same transport request. With the same transport request, data was saved. Okay. So like that you can modify. So even once we create at the initial stage, but once the transaction has been posted with this, then do not change. Okay. So these need some approvals. But right now you can change in your dummy system, but in real time, once I create a company code, do not change on immediate basis. Okay, need to get approvals. So credit control area. Okay, first we created company, then after that create the company code. Okay, so create the company code. Just click on this execute button. So here copy, delete company code. I don't want to copy or delete a company, or I just need to create new company code. That is the reason. So I click on this edit company code. Okay. This is just like form fill up. So here these are all company codes have been created. Some of the company codes are given by SAP and some company codes are created by our SAP aspirants, trainees. Okay, they created this. Okay, you can also look at this for your reference how the company code should be created. So I don't want to create, I don't want to do anything from this, and I will create a new company code. Just go to new entries. So my company code is, what is my company code? Tata, right? TA07. My company code I'm creating as a TA07. Note down this TA07. It's a Tata Motors. One company have multiple company codes. Okay, but I'm creating only one company code, Tata Motors. Tata Motors Private Limited. This is one company code. This is located at Madhapur. Okay, so Madhapur and country India. So currency INR. So language English. Okay. Once you give these details, company code is just like legal entity. Legal entity means this should have address. Okay. So save it. Save it. You see, this is already exist in our database. This entry is already exist in the same key. So now I will do one thing. So I will change this TH08. Okay. Enter. So now system is allowing this entry. This company code TA08 is not there in the system. So that is the reason system is allowing. Save it. So once you save, you need to give this details. All the fields, these are called as the fields. These are called as the fields. So click on company, Tata Motors, Tata Motors, street, postal code. Okay, here everything I'm giving dummy, but real time you need to give the proper inputs. So these are all very important things in real time. So once this company code has been created, do not change it. Okay, immediately you need to take approvals. So if you have all these details, telephone, address, fax, mobile number you have, you just fill this. This is the legal entity. Okay, so legal entity definitely it has an address. So now click on this button. Okay, so S. Okay, so here I am saving again one transport request. Earlier one. This is the transport request earlier one. Okay, so I am saving all the transport requests in enterprise structure. So if you click on this and you will give the different short description, then transport request will change automatically. Okay, so now you just save it. Data was saved. So you created company code. Okay. So once you create a company code, what is the next step? Assignment. Okay, so here you just come down. So once you create a company and company code, then you need to go to assignments. Assign company code to company. Click on this. So go to position. What is your company code? TA08. This is your company code. And what is your company? TA TV, right? This is your company. Now just save it. So once you save, this will be the same transport request. I'm saving all the configurations. See, assignment means almost you need to go to position. Okay, so whenever I say assignment, you just go to position and assign company code to company. Okay. So this is done. So you have done two important things, three important things. One is the company, then company code, then assignment of company code to company. Next, we need to define the business areas. Business area. Just to double click on this. The business area is nothing but branch. So branches. How many branches we have? Okay. How many branches we have? Those details we need to create in this place. Okay. So just to go to new entries. So I have 4 branches. Okay. So TA01. This branch is located Hyderabad. Okay, and just check it out. Click enter. Is entry is available. TA02. This branch is available Bangalore. Okay, TA03. This branch is available in Madhapur only. Okay. So how many branches you have? That details you need to get, and so you need to put here. Okay. So just to save it. So once again, you are saving on the same transport request. You are not creating any new. You are saving in this new transport request and just to save it. Okay, data was saved. TA01, TA02, TA03, 4. These are your business areas. Okay, business areas. See, once you create the business areas, then next step is consolidated business area. Okay, so here only you will say consolidated business area. Just to double click on this consolidated business area. So go to, these are all references. You can see if you don't know anything, just double click on this and you will check, okay, how the entries will be created. Go to new entries, consolidated business area, TA, CA, consolidated business area, so BA, TA, BA, okay. TA, BA is my consolidated business area and save it. Okay, click on this. Go back. Okay, so once you create the business area and the consolidated business area, the next step would be we need to do assignment. Assign business area to consolidated business area. Okay, so we have some assignments, right? Assign company code to company, we finished up. Then assign business area to consolidated business area. Just double click on this. Go to position. So you know the business areas, right? So TA star. So you will see all the business areas list in this place. So here just give TABA is your consolidated business area. Assign these business areas for reporting purpose. Okay, save it. System is 1 minute. Just give me a moment. System is reloading. Okay, same. You can save it. Consolidated business area is done. So assign. These are all your business areas. Okay, and assign the consolidated business area. Okay. So how many configurations we finished up? Company, company code, business area, consolidated business area. Now you have functional area, okay, and FM area. So I will create FM area also, okay. FM area. So go to new entries. So TA FM. So TA FM functional financial management area. Financial management में funds allocation to particular department. So our currency allocation should be in INR. Okay, now enter. and you just save it. You are saving on the same transport request. Okay. If you create, then another one more transport request will come. But I want to save entire configuration in this same transport request. So that is the reason I created one transport request as enterprise structure. Click on this. Okay. So this is also done. Company creation done. Okay. Company code creation done. Financial management area done. Consolidated business area done. FM area done. And check, is there any assignment is there for financial management area? As we have one assignment. Assign company code to financial management area. Okay. Just double click on this. So always assignment, you need to go to position. So take your company code and assign your financial management area and save it. So saving under the same transport request. Okay, now you go back. So once you create these things, we have how many configurations left? Company done, company code done, business area done. This is left and segment left. Profit center we don't create because this will comes under the CO module. This will come under the CO module where we will see this. Right now we don't create any profit center. The master data and CO. Okay, this need some CO settings. But right now we are ignoring this configuration, but we will do this after 40-50 classes. Okay, now we have credit control area. Credit control area. So click on this. So credit control area means how much credit that we can extend to particular customer. So just double click on this and give the credit control area. CA. Credit control area, currency INR. How much credit that you extend to particular customer? I'm giving this amount. So for each for this company code, for customers, I will extend this credit limit. Okay, that limit we need to define in our system. Save. Click on this. It's done. And just look at this. How many assignments are left? Okay, how many assignments are left? Assign company code to company done. Company code to credit control area is there. Just click on this. Okay, assignment you need to go to position. So give your company code TA08. Click on this. Okay, and give the assignment. Credit control area. And save this. Okay, new old transport request. We are saving one transport request, all the configurations. Okay, not creating any different one. This is done. Okay, and this is not done. Business area to consolidate. This is already done or not? It's done. So company code to financial management area is not done. Yes, click on this. Go to position. So take your company code. Okay, this is also done. Okay, so we are already done. So all assignments, this we will do later. Okay. Okay, all the configuration part we completed. Still we have to segment and functional area. We will create the segment. So click on this. Okay, segment means product. How many products we have? For the starter model, those products we need to create in our system. New entries. So TA P1 product 1. So TA P2 product 2. I have 3 products, so just I'm not writing anything, just giving segment 1, segment 2, segment 3. Okay, what is meant by segment? Product wise reporting. So click on this. Okay, all the configuration part is done. There is only one configuration is left. Okay, that is functional area. See, all these configuration have T codes. Okay, so how you can look at the T codes? Go to additional information, display, IMG. So if you look at like this, you feel definitely it is very hard. But if you do these things in your system, you feel it's a very easy. Okay, because these are all things are practical things. Practical things will be done in our system only. If you just watch out these things, there is no use. You need to do this same configuration in your system. You feel definitely yes, it's a very easy concept. Or else it will make you more complex in the coming classes. So you need to finish up everyday task. So once this session is completed, by tomorrow you need to complete this task. Then it will be very easier for you after end of the classes, end of the session, so you will come to know each and everything. So here we have additional information, display key and IMG activity. This is the path. Just click on this and just drag this here. Company T code is last 4 digits you need to consider OX15. Credit control area T code is OB45. Company code T code is OX02. Functional area, this T code has been expired. We are not using OKBD T code. Okay, business consolidated business area, there is no T code. Segment, this is the T code. Profit center KE51 T code. So now assignments also have T codes. Assign company code OX16. Credit control area OB38. Consolidated business area OBB6, like that. Okay, some of the T codes we can't remember. Just ignore. So now final configuration is functional area creation. Okay, once you click on this, so system will throw an error. Okay, this is obsolete because right now we are not using this OKBD T code. This is obsolete. SAP, in SAP we are not using this T code. We will use new T code. Okay, click on this. T code name is FM underscore FU and CTION. This is the new T code has been introduced in the SAP system. OKBD T code was completely obsolete. We are not using this T code. FM underscore FU and CTION. Click OK. So click OK here. Functional areas. Functional means department. We need to define our departments. Okay, Tata HR. Okay, so create. So create. So type down data HR. Okay, and valid from. So every department has a valid date and expiry date. So this is a valid date from 2023 onward, and it should be expired within 2 years. Okay. So now save it. One request has been created. Okay, and next one is sales, Tata sales. Create this Tata sales. And save it. Like that, you can create multiple departments. Tata Metal Management. Okay, so you need to give the valid date and expiry dates. So it see, if you select the delete option or backspace, then system will throw automatically this pop-up. Okay, just go and just give the delete option. That's enough. Automatically come. So save it. So all configuration part finished up. All configuration part finished up in 30 seconds, 36 minutes. Okay, in 36 minutes, we finished up total enterprise structure configuration. If you try this in your system, it will take almost 1.5 hours. Almost 1.5 hours, because you need to look at this video as well as you need to do the same thing in your system, right? So I suggest everyone, please take server access on immediate basis and do the same thing in your system. And by tomorrow you need to finish up and you need to send this screenshot. Okay, so SE09, SE09. So you go to finally you need to go to SE09, click on enter. Okay, select this customize request, display. This is our enterprise structure SAP FI. These are the transport requests. Click on this, Okay, so these are all things we have done so far. Take this screenshot. So take this screenshot and send in the chat box. Okay, take this screenshot. You just take this screenshot and send in the chat box. So other people also will see your progress. Okay, so wherever you are stuck, so just to take the screenshot with error and send in the chat box. Other people will help you out. Okay, before doing configuration, you need to watch out this video 2 times. Okay, you need to watch out this video 2 times. So single time you don't understand anything. Okay, watch out this video 2 times, then you will get to know each and everything. Without watching 2 times, the SAP should not comes into your hand. So watch out this video 2 times at least. Okay, so in the chat box, I shared already documentation. Okay, so in this, we clearly mention what is company and how to do configuration. Okay, so each point we mentioned clearly in this chat box, how to fill all the data. Okay, so each and everything we clearly mention. Credit control area configuration, how to do. So if you follow this document, well and good. Or if you follow my video, that is also fine. So if I do the same thing in my system, so it will take 10 minutes for me, 10 to 15 minutes. So you are completely newbies to SAP. That is the reason it will take at least 1 hour to 1.5 hours for freshers. Okay, right now the time is 9:15 almost. Okay, so 9:15 almost. Now take the server access on immediate basis and start your configuration in this system. And after 11 p.m. you will send the screenshot in the chat box. Okay, if you send 11 p.m. well and good, or else by tomorrow by this time. So you send all this screenshot, like this screenshot I need. This screenshot. How you will get this screenshot? Go to SE09. So and click on this display. Go to enterprise structure and you will see this one. Okay. So if you are facing any error, say at the time of doing configuration, if you face any error, because the same server you guys are doing configuration, so because you will face some error. Okay, that case, so you will see you go to SM12. If you are facing any error, you go to SM12 and click enter and remove this. Remove this. Go to list. Okay, so here list of the entries you will see. So just to select this and delete. Okay, and delete the entries. Click on OK and go back. Then you will do the same thing in your system. Error will be resolved. If you face any error, locked error. So if you face any locked error, so user is already there in the system locked error. So if your system is locked, then you go to SM12. Okay, I didn't get any error so far, but you will you people doing same thing in the same server. So some case you will get locked error. So user is locked, so that kind of error you will see. So then your work is will be stuck, right? So that case you go to SM12, click enter and remove this user ID and go to list and select this and delete all the entries. Then your issue will be resolved. Okay. So just you try this in your system and send a screenshot on immediate basis. Okay. Thank you. We will continue tomorrow. Okay. All right.